Hi guys, and welcome back to SciMarvels. Today we have got one of the most famous paradoxes in mathematics. It's a kind of proof that looks perfectly logical until you realize it secretly breaks one of the golden rules of math. So grab a pen, follow along, and see if you can spot the mistake before I reveal it. We start by assuming something very simple. Let's say A equals B. That means these two numbers are exactly the same. Nothing strange so far. Now, let's play with this equation a little bit. Multiply both sides by A. So we have A squared equals A times B. Then, by subtract both sides by B squared, we have A squared minus B squared equals A times B minus B squared. Then we can factor the expression from both sides. It means we have the left hand side A minus B times A plus B equals, in the right side we have A minus B times B. On both sides we have A minus B term. So if we divide both sides by A minus B, we have A minus B in the left hand side and A minus B in right hand side. In the left hand side here, and in the right hand side here and here, A minus B cancel each other. So we have A plus B equals B. We know from the start that A equals B, right? So we can replace A with B in the last equation. It means we have B plus B equals B. Then we have 2B equals B. B and B cancel each other, so 2 equals 1. Wait, what? Did we just prove that 1 equals 2? If that's true, then every math test ever written is wrong. But clearly, something's not right here. So, where did the logical fall apart? Everything looked valid. Multiply, subtract, factor, and divide. But let's go back to the sneaky step when we divided both sides by A minus B here and here. We forgot something very important. Remember at the beginning we said A equals E. That means A minus B equals 0. And in math there is one absolute rule. You can't divide by 0 ever, and ever. Because the moment you divide by 0, math loses its meaning. You can get any answer you want, including 1 equals 2. This paradox is a perfect example of how logic can pretend to be correct. Every line looked neat and algebraically valid, but one tiny illegal move destroyed everything. And that's actually what makes mathematics beautiful. Every rule matters. Break one, even by accident, and your whole universe collapses. So next time someone tells you that 1 equals 2, just smile and say, only if you divide by 0. If you enjoyed this paradox, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite math trick. See you the next time. Thank you.